Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on sounds in our Samsung Galaxy A55. How to turn off mute option in our phone. The fastest and the easiest way to do it is to swipe from the top, and here we have the symbol of a speaker. When we tap it once, we have all sounds back, all vibrations, everything. When we tap it twice, we have vibrations only, and thrice, and everything is muted. If for whatever reason we don't have this shortcut at the top, we need to go to our settings, then sounds and vibration, and the same three options are here at the top. So we can choose all sounds, vibrate only, or mute the phone completely. Let's turn on all the sounds, and that's basically it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.